Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Zelos Tutorials. Today we are doing the song Most Beautiful by Maverick City, one of my favorite songs at the moment. Okay, so the song is in the key of D major. This is important because we'll be using the notes of the D scale. Okay, so I'll start by playing the intro of the song, and then afterwards I'll explain what I was doing. Okay, so basically, I'm playing the melody by playing octaves. You can, of course, scrap that and just play single notes. But I prefer playing octaves. Okay, so the progression that I'm playing in the intro is D major to a D over F sharp to a G major chord to E minor 7 back to G. And the melody goes like this. So I'm gonna play it very slow so you can see exactly what I'm playing. Okay, I'll play it one more time, very slowly. Okay, so that is exactly how we will play the intro and the chorus. Okay, so let's head over straight into the verses, and I'll just play it through and then explain afterwards. Okay, so the verse starts off with the D major chord. So they play this 2 times to E minor, B minor, G major, to D, back to G. So I'm gonna do this again very slowly. So the D major gets 2 sets of 4s. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this part is 3 chords that get 1 beat each. So it's A minor, it's to B minor, G major, to D major, do that again. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you play the verses. Now I'll just move straight over to the bridge. Okay, once again I'll play through the bridge and then explain afterwards. Okay, so they start off with the E minor 7 chord into D, B minor 7 to A with the C sharp bass, so it's a slash chord, into D over F sharp to G, into B minor 7 to A. So this is what it sounds like at full speed. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much the whole song. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and a comment down below. But for now, I'll just play us out.